Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this expression 8 divided by 4 into 1 plus 1. So 8 divided by 4. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2. 8 divided by 4 times 2, 8, which is equals to 8 divided by 8, 1. Just if you calculate in such a way, you made a mistake. You made a mistake because you are not following the order of operation. The order of operation, the rule PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Here is a parenthesis or the expression inside the bracket, and this is one is the exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. You have to follow these orders. But when it comes to multiplication and division, they have the same priority, but we have to perform it from left to right, and the same to addition and subtraction because they have the same priority. So using this order of operation, let's solve this one. 8 divided by 4, 1 plus 1. So here we have a parenthesis or the expression inside the bracket. Before we are going to solve this one, we have to express this one because P is the first. So 8 divided by 4. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we can rewrite it 8 divided by 4 times 2. So here we have a division and a multiplication. Multiplication and division have the same priority, but we have to perform it from left to right. So the left one is the division. So we have to perform the division before we are going to solve the multiplication. So 8 divided by 4, 2 times 2. So which is equals to 4. So the correct answer is 4, not 1. So this is the correct answer. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos.